Good morning, children. Welcome to today's EVS class. Today's class we will continue learning the next block, that is block 3, children. Today we are going to start my neighborhood. Let us get started, children. So aim of today's class is, we already know that neighbors are the people and families that live near our house. Today we will learn the different ways in which our neighbors are helpful and important to us. Yeah, children, you all know that neighbors are the people and the families that live near our house, and they will help us and we also help them, so that they become a very important part in our life. So let us learn how important they are in our life. So neighbors, the key word for today's class is neighbors, children. Neigbours, neighbors. So what does that word mean? People that live near our house. People who live near our house are called as our neighbors. Let us get started for the activity. Today's activity is listening to the story, children. Yes, you all will be interested, I know that. See here. Here is the first story about a girl, Misha. So just to see, situation happened in Misha's house one day. Misha's mother picks her up from the school every day. One day she was late. She called her friend Jyoti, who lives near the school. Jyoti picked up Misha and dropped her at home. So Misha's mother called her friend Jyoti, who is living near the school. So she picked up Misha and dropped her at home. See, if she is not able to go and pick Misha, just think what might have happened to Misha, how she will be feeling sad at school. Now next is Riya, children. Riya's parents are working. One day, Riya and her grandmother were at home. Riya saw her grandmother shivering. She called her parents, but their office was far from home. She rushed to her neighbor Rahul's house. Rahul took her grandmother to the hospital. See, Riya's parents both went to office as usual, but one day the grandmother was not well and she was shivering. And Riya, even though she called, it will take lot of time for the parents to reach the home. Immediately Riya, she went to the neighbor Rahul uncle, and Rahul uncle acted swiftly and he took the grandmother to the hospital, and Riya is happy and grandmother is also well now. See, children, how important are our neighbors. See, listen about Sam, children. Sam's father ordered some medicine. When the boy from the medicine shop came to give the medicine box, no one was at Sam's house. Sam's neighbor Tia kept the medicine box. So that medicine is very important for Sam's father. He has to take it that day only. But due to an urgent work he went. But Tia helped by taking the medicine and keeping it carefully at home. This happens in our home also, children. So these three stories you can recollect, you can connect with you also. Like sometime your parents' friends might have picked you from the school or dropped you in the school, or sometime even like Riya's grandmother or somebody at your home when they are not well, your neighbors might have helped you. Even like collecting some things from the Amazon or somewhere when it is coming, our neighbors help us, and you might be also helping to get it, no, children. So now you can, if you are listening to the story, one situation you can share with me, that in same way how you helped your neighbor and how your neighbors helped you, children. So that can be in a simple words you can write, or you can orally you can tell with me in the class. Next is the time for us to, as usual, to watch the video, children. So watch this video. You will.
The people who live near our house are our neighbors. Some of our neighbors are also our friends. Our friends may live near or far from our house. We should help each other. Neighbors and friends are important to us.
Yeah, children, hope you might have enjoyed that video. You see how the children are playing happily, how they were helping when somebody got hurt, how they are helping the old people in the neighborhood. Yes, no children. So who are the neighbors and friends in the stories? Who are the neighbors, children, and friends in the stories? Yes, that's what we'll discuss. Jyoti is the friend of Misha's mother. Rahul is the neighbor of Riya. Tia is the neighbor of Sam. Neighbors are the people who live near our house. Friends are the people with whom we like to spend time and play. But sometimes the friends will be very far from our home. So that's why our neighbors also become our friends and we will spend a lot of time with them. Yes, children? Yeah. So how are the neighbors and friends important to us? Just now in the video and our discussion story, we understood that they are important. How neighbors live close to our house. Yes, that's why immediately they can help you. Your grandparents might be far, your uncle aunt might be far. But neighbors are near to you so that immediately they can help. And you are a neighbor, you can also help them. They can help us when we need them. Our friends are also special as we talk, play and spend time with them. They also help us when we need them. Even our friends who are living in our city, they are also very important for us because they will also do timely help. So neighbors and friends, how are they important? Simple words you can write, and this part you can write in your notebook and understand. They help us, they spend time with us. Whenever we need any help, whenever they need, you are also ready to help them. Same way, they will be also ready to help you, children. So now, what are the things we can do to our neighbors? What all we can do? Yes, we can offer them food when they are not sick, when they are sick, or when they need your help, or when they are having something, they are shifted newly, like that. Different situations, you can offer them food. Water, why, children? When suppose they have any problem in their home, water supply is not there. Like that, you can help them by giving water, medicine, or any other thing that they need. We can receive and keep important letters or other parcels of our neighbors in our house when they are not at home. So this all usually happens in all our home, no children. You will, even when not only this, whenever festival time, your occasions time, your birthday, definitely will invite our neighbors. They will also feel happy and they also will invite you. You will be visiting and you will feel happy, no children. So now let us, as usual, we will move on to see what is given in the text. Yeah, children, you understood that neighbors and friends, why are they important? Because they help us and they spend time with us. So to understand better, we will see what is given in the content book. See, always it is very happy to see the content book because beautiful pictures will be waiting for you. Take your content book, children. Take this page, block 3. My neighborhood means the place where we are living. People who live near our house are our neighbors. Some neighbors are also our friends. The places around us are around our house are together called our neighborhood. Some of our friends may live in our neighborhood, but sometimes they live far away from us. We should always try to help our neighbors and friends. Yes, you see the picture, children. See this aunt, what she is telling. We keep a watch on our neighborhood so that it is safe. So always you might have seen, no, what if somebody is coming to neighbor, anybody unwanted people are coming or anything happens, we will be checking and we will be ready to help each other. Yes. Next, you see there, we like to play and talk with our friends. We help them when they need us. So friends are also very important in our life. They will always, we feel happy to play with them and also help them. We can help our neighbors when they are unwell or alone. So this is very, very important. When they are unwell and when they need our help, we should be ready to help them. So neighbors and neighborhood, 2 words are there. So neighbors are the people who live near our house. Neighborhood is the place, a complete place surrounding our place. What all places are there, that includes our neighborhood, children. So both the spellings you should learn and also the meaning you should understand, children. So with this knowledge, what we have seen, pictures and all, we will try to complete our worksheet. So take open your worksheet, write today's date, children, as usual. Complete the table. You see, name, my friend, my neighbor. So you know, friend who is far or near, it's up to you. You can write your friend's name and also one of your neighbor's name. Tick what you do with him. Talk, play, like that. Very simple. You can tick it, children. How can you help him? Or it's not only always happy times playing is not only important. When there is a need, when they need you, like taking the medicine. You saw no in the stories, Sam, Ria stories. So whenever they are in need, we have to ready to help. So one situation you can write like that. Keep your content book open. There only spellings are there. You can do on your own. Only questions your parents will read. Try to write on your own seeing the books, because already we completed 2 blocks, no children. See the second question. An old man lives alone in the top floor of the building. Yes. How can you help him? Tick the correct answer. See, old man is living on the top floor of the building, but your neighborhood. How you can help? I can carry his bag. I can play loud music for him. I can help him to climb up and down the stairs. So can we disturb them by playing loud music? You think and you tick it. Hope you can do it. This is very simple. You can do it. No need to write. I'm thinking. So you can complete this, children. Let us see what is given in the questions. Practice questions also we'll see. You have to do, no children. See, take your content book. Only 3 questions are there. Just we'll see. Write the names of 3 people who live in your neighborhood. So you can write your neighbor's children name or the uncle name, whose the name you know. 3 names you write. There is no water in your neighbor's house. How can you help them? So you can write, I will give water. While playing in the park, you saw an old man fall down. How will you help him? I'll go and make him sit and give him some water. I will bring some medicine and apply. So you can think different things for how you can help, and you can complete this. So as usual, reading the content book, recollecting what all I have taught you from the stories, and you will complete this 3 questions in the content book itself, and worksheet you complete, and 2 words are there, neighbors, neighborhood. You learn the spelling and be ready for the next class, children. Bye bye, children.